I just finished rewatching the Korean movie Parasite and I'm craving for some Chapaguri. So today, we're diving into a deliciously simple yet wildly popular Korean dish Chapaguri, also known as ramdon. This quick and hearty meal gained international fame from the movie Parasite, and now, these are all we need. I am using these combinations cause these are all I have. It's spicy Samyang Ramen and Jin-jjajang black bean noodles. For a twist, 100 grams beef bulgogi, 30 grams sliced Shitaki mushrooms, 30 grams sliced onions, 1/2 tablespoon minced garlic. For the meat lovers out there, I've got a special twist: marinated beef bulgogi. Sear the beef in a hot pan until it's perfectly caramelized and tender. The sweet and savory notes of the bulgogi blend beautifully with the noodles, making this dish truly unforgettable. Add in the shiitake mushrooms. Give a good stir to blend in together. Continue cooking until the seared beef bulgogi are cooked and tender. The original recipe from the Parasite movie uses seared steak cubes for the tender, juicy beef pairs. I have tried the seared beef cubes, but I love the unique taste of beef bulgogi that blends well with this chapaguri or ramdon. Add a little water to allow the bulgogi to cook and become tender. The sweet and savory flavor of the bulgogi blend beautifully with the noodles, making this dish truly tasty and amazing. Now, let's prepare our noodles and unpack these fusion of flavors. We will only use 1/2 pack of the Samyang spicy ramen seasoning and use all the other seasoning. Now, our beef bulgogi is already cooked. Let's set this aside for later. Next, let's start with our noodles. Start by bringing a pot of water to a rolling boil. While we wait, let's talk about the magic of chapaguri. It's the perfect combination of 2 instant noodles, Chapagetti or Jin-jjajang ramen, a rich black bean noodle, and a spicy ramen or seafood udon. Together, they create a flavor explosion that's simply irresistible. Cook them for about 4 minutes, just until they're al dente. You want them firm because they'll continue to cook in the sauce later. Let's reserve some water from here for the sauce later. Let's drain these and set aside. Now for the sauce, add the seared bulgogi, noodle water, 1/2 pack of seasoning from the spicy ramen and whole pack seasoning from the jjajang ramen, and all packs of dried veggies, and give everything a good toss. Let the flavors melt together for a few moments. The original recipe from the movie uses 2 instant noodles, chapagetti, a rich black bean noodle, and neoguri, a spicy seafood udon. Now, add in the minced garlic and sliced onions. Then give a good stir for that savory and spicy blend. Now, add the noodles and give everything a good toss. Let the flavors melt together for a few moments, and you're ready to serve. And here's a pro tip. Add a touch of butter or roasted sesame oil for an extra richness. It's the secret ingredient that takes chapaguri to the next level. Once everything is well mixed, it's time to plate. Serve hot, with a sprinkle of sesame seeds or green onions for that finishing touch. And there you have it, chapaguri or ramdon with a bulgogi twist. A dish that's as easy to make as it is delicious.
Eto na ang ating chapaguri by version. My version. Parang siya pansit, no? So, ito. So, let's taste the bulgogi. The stir-fried bulgogi. Ang gawin ng bulgogi. Beef. Ano naman di ba bulgogi? Ram. Tapos, may mushroom. Promise. Tasty noodles. Chapaguri. Ang ating version sa ato ang chapaguri. Very, kayo sa? Tasty. Okay. Naman isod akan you know, kasi ay tapin na ito. It's life. Rice is life. Lamig, promise. Labi na ang bulgogi. Naman siya bulgogi. Ang lalo niyang bulgogi naka-complement. Hindi siya. May isa pa, miss. Ikay ako ang nagluto kundi yung lasa. So, saan paghimo sa bulgogi marinade, we'll post sa comment section. Ha? Ngayon pa? Hindi. Mahal ka. Need ko, minapon. Snacks. So, that's it for today. Bye-bye. See you sa next lamon. Bye-bye.